I've been in the meme coin game a long time and I have not come anywhere near this kind of money. As you can see in my Phantom wallet, I have nearly $500,000. I found a new method that did not involve trading, but instead involved deving. Follow along with this video and I will show you the simple process that allowed me to start stacking some serious cash. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay guys, we are now at the demonstration part of this video, but before we get into that, just a quick note on kind of how long it takes to make money in this game. Now, this is a chart that's been running a really long time, and a lot of people come into the meme coin kind of market thinking it's a way to make a quick buck, but that's not necessarily the case. I mean, so you look here, this first initial massive boost is over the course of 5 days. Now, that's with a lot of patience and also, frankly, just having the nerve to be able to hold your position for that long and just hope upon hope that it climbs up to that point. I mean, it immediately crashes after those 5 days, and then look, it takes another, so what's that, it's 32 days until it comes anywhere near that peak again. If you're willing to wait a month on a meme coin, you're just begging to get rug pulled. Take a look at some of the top traders on any of these meme coins. You'll notice their P&Ls are super consistent. They're making good trades all the time. And the trouble is, it's really difficult to believe that they just have a sixth sense. They either know a dev or are a dev. And if you want to be a dev, and that is what I suggest you do, we are going to use createcoin.fun as our platform to launch our own coin. And the best part is, you don't need to know any coding to do it. There is no coding required. This used to be a big sort of gatekeeper back in the day. Lots of people didn't know how to code, so they couldn't put their own coins in the market. They had to rely on trading, and that's when everyone was getting rug pulled. Okay, so with just a bit of Solana, we can put our own coin onto the market and start making some serious cash. Now, what we need to look at is markets. Okay, now this is the pump market, and you know, back in the day, the pump market was really good, but the problem is it's become so popular that anytime you launch a coin on pump, you are going to get drowned out by the tens or maybe even hundreds of thousands of other coins that are just going to swamp you and overtake you, or you're just going to get lost in just a mound of shit coins. Okay, that's not what we want. Look at these market caps. They're not great. Okay, they don't really get all that far, and the ones that do are rare and few and far between. Now, if we switch to the Matora market via dynamic on Axiom, we can have a look and we can see these market caps are much higher. Look, they're mostly in the millions. Okay, now again, these have been running a long time and we're not going to run anywhere near that long, but I'm going to show you just with about $100 in your Phantom wallet and a little bit of time, you're going to make some serious cash. Now, first of all, we need to connect our Phantom wallet. Okay, so we simply click connect wallet and then we're done there. Now, at this point, you could make your own coin from scratch, but that's not what we're going to do. I mean, we could make a name, we could make a symbol, we can come up with a narrative of a cool picture, base it on a meme or a tweet or whatever, right? But that takes a lot of marketing and it takes a lot of luck. We're not going to do that. We're going to remove luck from the equation. We're going to remove time from the equation. Instead, we're going to hit the copy trending button. Now, this is a tool on createcoin.fun that finds all those coins that are trending on the pump market right now. So they've already got the hype behind them. We're just positioning ourselves so that we can take advantage. Now, as you can see here, it gives you a bit of information such as the name, when they were last paired, and the market caps here. All of these are good options, but of course, you know, feel free to, you know, research and do what's right for you. So you got a few here with like a few million in their market cap. Again, these are potential market caps based on how they've been doing whilst they've been trending. Okay, now if all of these are not to your liking, what you can do is at the top you can hit a refresh button, which I will do now. So we can hit a refresh there and we can have a look at another amount of, you know, coins here. So we can have a look at some of our favorite brain rot memes here. Let's pick this 3.ws one. Let's copy that one. Okay, 2.56 million market cap is pretty good. Now, initially you will get this request blocked tab. Okay, so just proceed, confirm, tick the box and confirm. This is a normal part of the process. I have to do this every single time I set one up for a video, so do not worry, you just have to do this. Is all part of the process and it just allows you to get your coin created. Now, we've got a coin, but we need to get it on the market, and the way to do that is to create a liquidity pool. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of our soul and we're going to put that behind the coin, and that's what gets it on the market. So we're going to create this liquidity pool here, and you see there's a lot of information on here, such as, you know, the amount of tokens and things like that. You don't have to change any of these values at all. The only one you need to worry about is the amount of soul. Okay, that's the amount of sort of crypto that you're going to put behind your coin initially. Now, I would always recommend and go with 0.2. That's the amount that I always use. A little bit more or a little bit less, it's not going to matter too much, but 0.2 seems to be what gets the best results for me. Then we are going to create our pool. We confirm that transaction, and then the moment we do that, our coin will be live. There it is. Okay, cool. So our coin is live now, and as you can see, we've got a bit more information here. So we've got the name, we've got the pool, we've got the sol that we've put into it, the 0.2, we've got the tokens, and we've got the value. So we're currently at 1538. Keep that number in mind when we look at how this coin does in a minute. Now, before we get to that, we need to boost our token. Hit the lightning button and boost your token. This is a really crucial part of the process. Okay, so you're going to boost your token and put it onto Dex Screener's trending list for 1 hour. This is what removes the luck. This is what means we don't have to spend ages waiting for our coin to kick off. This, on top of the good market, on top of the hype behind the coin already, it's a compounding effect. Now, it costs 0.25 sol, but we are going to make that money back and then some, which you will see in my live demonstration shortly. So let's hit confirm on that, and then boom, we are boosted and we are ready to go. So we're going to take a quick look on Dex Screener. Okay, we are going to see how our coin performs. So let's have a quick go on Dex Screener now, and we will see how this goes. So what normally happens is you get this initial kick up. There we go. So straight away our market cap's up at 1.3. We are matching a lot of the pump market caps. You know, normally they get to around 1 K, and that's when they run for several days. Look at this. So already our liquidity is going up, and you know, I mean, you go up and down, of course, that's the game, but you know, as you can see, our averages, we are going up overall. So we were at 1.3, now we're at 1.8. Okay, look at our market cap now. We've gone up to 2.4K, 3.8. We are really kicking ahead. Now, I've ran this for a little bit of time, as you've just seen. So let's take a quick refresh and look at our estimated value here. Okay, so we've gone from $15. Once this loads, please bear with. Have a look. Remember, $15. We've gone up to $871, guys. So as you saw there, I've only been running this for, well, barely even a minute, to be honest. And now we are going to pull all the liquidity. This is the time-saving aspect of this. You can make this money quite quickly. We remove 100% of that liquidity, and then we are all in terms of our money. Now, here we go. I have made $869. Fantastic. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I'll put you in a prize draw to win half of my money today. Get on this method.